5-axis CNC desktop spinning machine design and prototype was prepared as a thesis by Kerim University design and construction teaching student Sedat-Semra and project supervisor Professor Dr. Kerim ÇETİNKAYA. First in the study, design and modeling of the system was archived. Modeling of the system was made via the SolidWorks environment. Dimensions of the bench are 3000 cross 2000 cross 1500 and it can process 3000 mm length, 1450 mm width and 1000 mm height. 40 cross 2 mm scale structure steel for lower stresses material at the production stage of system and 2 mm bored structure steel for bridge parts has used. Square structure steel at lower stresses has assembled each other by weld and bore structure steel at bridge parts has assembled by bolts and nuts. Groundway and rock gears has assembled by bolts and nuts to lower crosses for moving bridge part linear and or on groundways. For getting movement of y-axis groundway and carriage assembled to steel as x-axis. 1500 cross 300 cross 10 mm aluminum sheet assembled on y-axis to carry Z, A and B axis. 24 cross 1500 mm roller screw and nut has buried on aluminum sheet fixed on y-axis by bearings. Cage designed for Z-axis and assembly to y-axis on system. 24 cross 420 mm shaft has bearing in Z-axis. 350 cross 150 cross 3 mm sheet bowed for A-axis and welded to 24 cross 1500 mm shaft. Spindle fixed by welding a 24 cross 150 mm shaft on both parts at E-axis. 2 units 8.5 Nm step motor contacted parallel to X-axis. 1 unit 4.5 Nm step motor used each on Y, Z, A and B axis. 6 unit step motor in 5-axis movement line has controlled by 5-axis interface controlling board and 6 unit step motor driver controlling board. 12 volt power supply for interface controlling board, 2 units 1 kW 48 volt out transformer for controlling board has used. System has manually controlled by using meshed interface surface. Movement transferred to step motors by rack gears and pinion gears. This project has made of education purpose, principle of CNC and its use methods considered and supported by several practices.